Maurice here, back for another Power Pack trading. Today we're going to talk about how it generated $59,000 in a single month, one of my biggest months in SMMA, using cold calling, okay? You guys know 99% of the clients that I get is through the phone, okay? And I just want to talk about what you need to do if you want to make $10,000 a month. A lot of you guys have been playing, chilling. You haven't been taking SMMA serious. You haven't been making your cold calls, and you flat out don't have clients, and you're like, Maurice, I'm sick and tired. Well, ladies and gentlemen, okay, if you want to have a breakthrough month like I did, okay, and I'm going to show you guys just a quick screenshot of one of my biggest months in SMMA. I've been looking at some of the months I've been having. I've been averaging anywhere from 49 to 50K every month in SMMA, and it's flat out exciting. But ladies and gentlemen, the common denominator, okay, is that you have to go to work, okay? Write that down, okay? It's time out for playing games, okay? All right, it's time out for playing games. Ladies and gentlemen, if you think about it for a minute, all right, the type of money that you can earn in SMMA is mind-blowing, okay? I have simply a high school diploma, okay? I used to work at a warehouse, all right? And I used to make about 10 bucks an hour working a graveyard shift, okay? Loading trucks up at night in the cold and in the rain, okay? How did I go from that situation, okay, to being overworked and underpaid, making $10 an hour at a dead-end job, to generating $59K in one single month, ladies and gentlemen? How? Well, first of all, I had to get my mind right. I had to invest in Mind University, okay? These are key things that I had to do to make that transition from $59K a month to, $10 an hour, okay? I had to make that shift, okay? And you guys have to make a mental shift. That's why it's important, gang, to read books and to get courses and to hire a coach and to do the strategy calls and do all the stuff necessary. The problem that I see in SMMA right now today is there's too many lazy people. There's too many people that want clients, but they don't want to pay to get to the level that they need to get to, okay? YouTube is excellent, but I believe YouTube is hurting so many people, and that's a lot of reason why I kind of cut back on producing videos, because everyone just wants something for free, okay? And ladies and gentlemen, life is not about that, okay? You have to pay in order to play, okay? And that's what I had to do. I had to sacrifice too. I said, okay, I got this check. I got all these bills I need to pay, but I don't care. I'm pulling a portion out of that check to invest in a course that could get me to making six figures. And that's exactly what happened, gang, okay? Now, the next thing, okay, that allowed me, okay, to make $59K in a month, one of my highest months in SMMA, gang, was my work ethic, okay? Write that down, all right? You cannot be lazy, okay, in SMMA and want to make $10,000 a month, okay? This must become your friend, all right? You got to put in the work, gang, if you want to be successful at SMMA. You got to put in the work. That means you need to set aside a consistent schedule so you can get better, okay? Let's do that again so you can get better. See, the reason why you're not hitting $10,000 a month or you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clients in your agency, okay, is you're not good enough yet. Write that down. That's important. You're just not good enough yet. That's the key word. If you keep grinding, you keep buying the courses and you keep applying and you keep growing and you keep making phone calls day in, day out, day in, day out. Ladies and gentlemen, you will accomplish your dreams and goals. You can write that down, take it to the bank and cash it, because that's exactly what happened to Uncle Maurice. I never imagined in my wildest dreams that I'll be sitting here, generating that type of income, averaging about 50K a month, from the comforts of my home, and just really enjoy life and starting other companies and other income streams that are coming in, ladies and gentlemen, all because I was willing to sacrifice. That's another one. Write that down, okay? Sacrifice is so important, okay? That means you got to sacrifice television watching. A lot of you guys don't want to sacrifice that. You want to still watch TV, but yet you want clients. Ladies and gentlemen, you got to get rid of something. A lot of you guys want to sleep 10 hours when you should be up first thing in the morning making your dials. A lot of you guys want to say, when I get my check, I want the latest game system. I want Jordan shoes and clothes, and I want to shop on Amazon and do all this stuff. But when it comes to investing in your education, Mind University, you can't afford it. Ladies and gentlemen, get serious, okay? That's why I wanted to show you guys a screenshot of what's possible. Not to boast and brag. I just want to show you guys what's possible so that you can get serious and start sacrificing, all right? Because that's what's required to be a hit and to be a success in SMMA, all right? Why is it that the gurus and everyone else is enjoying SMMA and you're struggling? It's because you're not willing to sacrifice. You make calls on Monday and then you come back Thursday and you wonder why your calling ratios are low, because you're messing up the momentum. Gang, let me tell you something. When I started SMMA, I knew for myself, I said, hey, I traded 40 hours a week at this job. So what I need to do is let me just set aside 1 to 2 hours a day. That's about 5 to 10 hours a week in solid cold calling. This is a huge nugget. Solid, consistent cold calling. A lot of you guys work a job, and that's fine. I worked a job, okay, but I carved out, okay, just 1 to 2 hours a day, and I got on that phone and I just went beast mode. Beast mode. They would hang up or whatever the case may be, and I just kept going till I got that one business owner say, yes, I'm interested. And then the other business owner, yes, I'm interested. And I kept going. And ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the month, I looked up and I had a few clients, okay? And then another few clients. And then when that happened, it was time for me to go in to my boss's office, kick his door open, kick my feet up on his desk, and I pointed at him and said, you're fired. No, I'm just playing. I didn't do it like that, but I did give my resignation, okay? I didn't even give a 2 weeks notice. I think I was out of that joint within a week. So, ladies and gentlemen, this too can be your reality, but you got to stop playing. You got to stop looking. You're on YouTube. Somebody's course pop up. You in this course. You in that course. Ladies and gentlemen, stick to one strategy. Okay, you guys know I love cold calling. If you're going to stick to cold calling, master cold calling. Get the course, get the scripts, and focus. It's going to take you 30 to 90 days to get this down pat. That's all I'm saying. 30 to 90 days to be making $10,000 a month. And you may have to invest some money into yourself and into your business, okay? So don't be dismayed because you got to purchase something so that you can get to where you want to be in life. That's what we call sacrifice. If you want to be a doctor, gang, you got to sacrifice hundreds of thousands of dollars. If you want a franchise, if you go purchase a McDonald's franchise, gang, you're going to be looking at about $4 to $5 million that you got to have liquid. That means in the bank, on top of the other investment of purchasing a McDonald's franchise. And it's going to take you a minimum of 7 years to get your initial investment back. You got to sell a lot of cheeseburgers. And you guys, I'm shocked, don't even want to spend $5,000 to $10,000 in this industry so that you can become better. Because, gang, let me tell you something. Until you get better, your money won't get better. If you want your money to get better, you have to get better. And that's why I put out this type of content, okay, to motivate and help you guys get to the level in life you need to be at, okay? Because too many of you guys are playing. How do I know you're playing? If you don't have 5 SMMA clients, you're playing, because it's really that simple. You should have 5 clients right now paying you a minimum of $1,000 a month. That's $5K. Because I know the numbers, all right? I know the ratios you need in order to be a hit in SMMA. And if you massage the numbers correctly, meaning you're not in and out, okay? You stick to the script, okay? You master your rebuttals, you mastering the close, okay? There's 10 questions that I ask a business owner in the close, in the course. A lot of you guys don't have the course, but yet you want a cold call. Gang, get the information necessary, okay? I've been doing this a long time. The stuff that I put out works. And some of the other guys, what they're putting out works as well. But you still have to be willing to sacrifice, okay? It's just not going to happen for you. If you don't pick this phone up and engage with business owners on a regular, you have to engage. Now, that doesn't mean every time you engage with a business owner, they're going to tell you yes. They're not supposed to tell you yes every time, okay? Because that's not how life works. When you drive on the freeway or the streets and whatnot, all the lights just aren't green. You have green lights, red lights, yellow lights. It's a plethora of lights. You don't just get to blast through all the lights on green. They're going to change. And that's what it is when you're making cold calls. Everybody's not supposed to say yes. And in fact, you don't want everybody to say yes, or it wouldn't be an opportunity, gang. Okay, so let's wisen up. Let's toughen up. Get some tough skin, gang. Some of you guys are too soft for SMMA. They told me no, Maurice. They told me no, but yet I made $59K in a month. That's what no's get you. See, Uncle Maurice just takes a lot of no's. That's why I make big money, okay? I fail my way forward, okay? And it's really not failure. For every no I get, I make hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, because the no's get you to the yeses, and the yeses pay for the no's. Write that down. Think about what I'm saying, gang. So that's it, gang. Just wanted to give you guys a little motivation. How I generated $59,000 in 1 month in SMMA, picking up this phone exclusively. You guys can do the same thing. Grab the course. If you guys need help, you can sign up for coaching. You need help, you can sign up for a strategy call, and I will help you guys get to the next level. See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.